Hello students, let us continue with the Bessel's polynomial. In the previous video we have seen the Bessel's recurrence relations. We have seen recurrence 1, 2 and further we can follow by seeing the notes recurrence 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let us have some more proofs. We have to prove j minus 1 by 2 of x. J minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi x cos x, and j plus 1 by 2. J 1 by 2 of x is equal to root of 2 by pi x sin x. First let us see this first one. What is that? We have to prove j minus 1 of x is so and so. Let us have jnx is equal to the standard Bessel's polynomial is jnx is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r minus 1 power r by r factorial into gamma n plus r plus 1 x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r. So if you elaborate this by taking sigma r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2 going on. For r is equal to 0, first term is 1 by minus 1 power r is 1 by 0 factorial gamma n plus 1 x by 2 power n minus 1 power 1 is minus, that is why minus 1 by 1 factorial gamma n plus 1 plus 1 is n plus 2 x by 2 power n plus, when r is 1 that is n plus 2, similarly 1 by 2 factorial gamma n plus 3 x by 2 power n plus 4. Let us apply, let us find the j minus 1 by 2 of x. Put in place of n, put minus 1 by 2, then what you get? J minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to 1 by 0 factorial gamma minus 1 by 2 plus 1. What is minus 1 by 2 plus 1? That is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2, gamma 1 by 2, x by 2 whole to the power of n is minus 1 by 2. So x by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 factorial gamma, when n is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 plus 2, that is 3 by 2, x by 2 whole to the power of the same thing 3 by 2, 1 by 2 factorial gamma minus 1 by 2 plus 3, that is 5 by 2, gamma 5 by 2 x by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 4, that is 7 by 2, going on and on. So let us arrange this. 1 by 0 factorial is 1 by gamma 1 by 2 and x to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 factorial is 1, gamma 3 by 2 is nothing but gamma 3 by 2 is gamma 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. In the same way, gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. 5 by 2 is gamma 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. Gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Therefore, 5 by 2 is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Okay. So, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 factorial, gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. I think it is clear for you. Gamma 5 by 2 is gamma 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. In place of gamma 3 by 2, you have 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. So overall, this is gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. So here I wrote 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2, x power 3 by 2, 1 by 2 factorial, and gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2, x by 2 power 7 by 2, so on. So let us simplify this. 1 by gamma 1 by 2, x power minus 1 by 2, that I have taken as common factor in all these terms. 1 by gamma 1 by 2, gamma x by 2 power minus 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is taken out, what remains here? Square. 2 plus minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So that is why here I put square 1 by 2 x by 2 square plus 1 by this 2 factorial and 2 gets cancelled, 1 by 3 by 2, gamma 1 by 2 is gone, x by 2 power 7 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that should be we should get 3 by 2, therefore there you have to write 4 minus 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. That's why this is x by 2 power 4. So 4 minus 1 by 2 is 7 by 2, that is why this is 4. Simplifying, this is gamma half is root pi, x by 2 power minus 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by x power 1 by 2 and 2x square by 4. This is 1 by 1 by 2, nor this is 1 by 1 by 2, therefore that is 2x square by 4 and this is 1 by 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 x power 4 by 2 to the power of 4, x power 4 by 2 power 4, this is 2 by 3 going on. So this is root 2 by root x 1 by root pi. So overall root x root of square root of 2 by pi x, this is square root of 2 by pi x, 1 minus this is x square by 2 remains, the 2 can be written as 2 factorial and this is 2x power 4 by 3 into 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 gets cancelled, 8 3 is 24. So this is 2 cube into 3, 8 into 3 24, that can be written as 4 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial and go on. So square root of 2 by pi x into this is the expansion of cos x, therefore we may replace it with cos x. Thus square root of 2 by pi x cos x, j minus 1 by 2 x is equal to root of 2 by pi x into cos x. So let us go for j plus 1 by 2 of x, j 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi x into sin x. Let us prove this. Now we shall prove the second one, j 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi x into sin x, as we have proved in the case 1, first one, j minus 1 by 2 x. In the similar way we put 1 by 2 in place of n, jnx is this and we write jnx in the elaborated form. Substitute n is equal to 1 by 2, j 1 by 2 of x is equal to 0 factorial gamma 1 by 2 plus 1 gamma 3 by 2 x by 2 power 1 by 2 1 factorial gamma 5 by 2 x by 2 power 5 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 is 5 by 2, same way 1 by 2 factorial gamma 7 by 2, this is 3 plus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, x by 2 power 9 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 4, 9 by 2. So that is 1 by gamma 3 by 2, x by 2 power 1 by 2, 1 by 1 factorial is 1, gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2, as we have discussed here. 5 by 2 can be written as gamma 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2. So gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2, x by 2 power 5 by 2, 1 by 2 factorial, and gamma 7 by 2 is 5 by 2 into 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2. 5 by 2 is 3 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2. That is 5 by 2 gamma 5 by 2. Gamma 5 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. So gamma 7 by 2 is 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2. X by 2 power 9 by 2, so on, so on, so. Take out this as common factor. 1 by gamma 3 by 2 into x by 2 power 1 by 2. Take this as common factor. First term is 1. In second, gamma 3 by 2 is gone out of the bracket. Therefore, this is 1 by 3 by 2. X by 2 power 1 by 2 is gone, taken out as common factor. This 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 plus 1 by 2. That's why here 2 remains, 1 by 2 is there, 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2, as x by 2 power 1 by 2 is common, there remains x by 2 whole square, and here you will have in the 9 by 2, 1 by 2 is taken out as common factor, therefore there remains x by 2 power 4, 5 by 4, 5 by 2 into 3, 2 gets cancelled, 5 by 2 into 3, gamma 3 by 2 is out, x by 2 power 4 going on, and here 1 by gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2, x by 2 power 1 by 2, 1 minus this is 2 by 3, 1 by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3, x square by 4, this is 2 by 15, x power 4 by 2 power 4, 2 by 15, x power 4 by 2 power 4, simplifying which this is gamma half is root pi, and you have root 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2, that comes into the numerator, therefore this is root 2 into root x by root pi, that is square root of 2x by pi, 1 minus simplifying this x square by this is 3 into 2, 2 into 4, 2 by 4, that is 2, x square by 3 into 2 is can be written as 3 factorial, and 2 and 1 2 goes here, 2 cube 8, 15 8s 120, that is 5 factorial, x power 4 by 5 factorial 1. Now let us multiply and divide with x, 1 by x into x, x by x, let's multiply with x by x, that is 1 by x into multiply with x, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by factorial going on, this is root x, this is x, so what you get is 2 by root pi into root x, that is square root of 2 by pi x, this elaboration is nothing but sin x, this is expansion of sin x, so this is square root of 2 by pi x into sin x. Further you may ask one question, that is prove that, if you are asked prove that j minus 1 by 2 square of x plus j 1 by 2 square of x is equal to what you have, 2 by pi x cos square x plus sin square x, that is this one. J 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of x is root pi x square root of pi x into cos x everything whole square, plus this one is square root of 2 by pi x sin x whole square, that is 2 by pi x cos square x plus sin square x, that is equal to 2 by pi x. That you have to prove. If you are asked this question, you have to prove j minus 1 by 2x, later j 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2x, and squaring these and summing up, you get 2 by pi x into sin square x cos square x, that is 2 by pi x. Okay, if that question is asked, you may answer. Further you will have some more deductions from recurrence, Bessel's recurrence relations, that I have given you in the PDF notes. You can see, you can easily understand. Okay, in this Bessel's there is no orthogonal properties, no Rodriguez formula, so these are enough, and you go through the notebook. Therefore that is the end of Bessel's polynomials. In the next video we shall switch over to Hermite polynomial, Hermite differential equation, its solution, Hermite polynomial, generating function of Hermite polynomial, recurrence relations, orthogonal properties, and Rodriguez formula in the same fashion later. Okay.